Great job singing and counting in another language. In Brazil, they also sometimes gaze up at the stars at night. Let's review our song, Starlight, Star Bright. Here we go.
Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. Wish I may, wish I might, have the wish I wish tonight.
Not only do stars shine, but sometimes they move. Raise your hand if you've ever seen a shooting star. Yeah, students, have you? Well, let's pretend that the shooting star is falling down to the earth, and we could make our voice do that. It would sound like this. Oh! Let's all try that. Oh! Great, but sometimes the star might miss its friends and want to go back up into the sky. Let's try making our voice do that. My turn, your turn. Oh! Great. Here is a picture of some stars. This one is going to fall from high to low, and this one from low to high. See if you can follow me with your voice. Try it with us, students. Great job following me and making your voice go high and low like a falling star. Now, our word this week is composer, and a composer is someone who writes music. So my music friend Lauren is going to be our composer and create a new pattern of stars for us to follow. Great, now Lauren, let's try it. Here we go. This time we started low and went high each time. Now students, you can practice this composer game with students taking turns composing in your class.